Hello and welcome to CAS Academy of Mastery. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this cool 3D image in Canva. So the first thing we're going to do is we will click here on Elements and type in Cell Phone Mockup. And now we're going to click on Frames and we're going to choose this cell phone frame here. We're going to resize it and make it bigger by dragging the handles in the corners. And we're going to come over here to search our elements again, and we're going to type in zebra, and we'll click on photos, and we'll grab this one and drag it into the frame. Just drag it and drop it and it'll go in there. Now we're going to position it so it's kind of hanging over the edge a little bit here. There we go. We just double clicked in there and drag it. Now we're going to put a second copy of the image on here, and this one we're going to remove the background for, and then we'll resize it so it's laying right over top of our cell phone and directly over top of the other zebra. And now we're going to search again and we're going to find Safari. Go to Photos. And we'll go with this one. We're going to click Position and position it to the back. I'm going to click in the gray area, drag to highlight the entire group of pictures, and then we're going to just drag it, tilt it, and reposition it. I'm going to click Edit and the blur filter, and we're going to put that on our whole image. We're going to increase it. Click X. If you look at the bottom here, it's kind of hanging over the edge a little bit. So we're just going to bring in and crop our top image a little bit. And that'll make it so that way it fits perfectly within our cell phone. Have a teenager ages 13 to 18? Sign them up for our Be a Graphic Designer 10-week course on how to use Canva.